Hi, let's have a conversation about Yoga Nidra. So, what is Yoga Nidra? Well, some people call it yoga sleep. Yoga means union. Nidra actually means sleep. Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation. A guided meditation? Yeah, guided meditation. So that means that all you have to do is lay still and listen. I can't be still. That's really hard for me. I don't sleep well. Yoga Nidra is perfect for you. Yoga Nidra happens in just those few moments when you're falling asleep. You know, when you're drifting off and you're like halfway asleep and halfway still awake, that's when Yoga Nidra happens. It's like floating. Through the vehicle of sleep, we're able to enter a state of wholeness. The body restores itself during our sleep. So 1 hour of Yoga Nidra actually equals 4 hours of sleep. Your rest powers your activity. Yoga Nidra helps to clear out a lot of things that are troubling us sometimes. Things that get stuck. They call them blockages. They keep you from sleeping well. And through the practice of Yoga Nidra, these things will start to move away from you. Well, will all of this happen in one session? Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. But through a regular practice of Yoga Nidra, you will start to clear your mind and relax. So how do I get ready for this class? Well, you have to register first. And then just find a space in your home, because the class is online, and be comfortable. Warn all of the two-legged and four-legged friends in your house that you're busy. Have a drink of water nearby. Bring pillows, comforters, socks, whatever you need to be warm and comfortable. Please don't use candles, because we don't want you to fall asleep with candles burning. Essential oils are okay too. So what are the benefits of Yoga Nidra? I'm kind of getting the hang of it. Well, Yoga Nidra builds the mind's ability to focus and concentrate. When the mind is quiet, the body is free to heal. Researchers are just beginning to unlock all of the great benefits. Some that we already know are decreasing blood pressure, controlling pain, improving sleep, we've already said that, even fighting addictions, generating kindness, reducing age-related memory loss, lengthening our attention spans, enhancing self-awareness, promoting emotional well health, controlling anxiety, and reducing stress. The big S, stress. So, give Yoga Nidra a try. Register now. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.